Hi guys! Today I'm going to plant some bulbs, and you see here that I have so many bulbs to choose from. I was waiting until the end of the season, and even when it was 50% off I thought it was a little bit too much. So I waited until it was 70%, and some bags I got for even just $1 or something. So I have loads, and I counted them to, I think it's 1,100 bulbs, so it's plenty to dig for me. And well, I don't really have any plan. Maybe it's stupid, but I thought that it's better to just get as much as I can, as cheaply as I can this year, because I'm quite sure it's nothing that is blooming in this garden. I have been digging in a few places and I haven't seen anything, no bulbs whatsoever. So therefore it's just, I'm putting as much as I can, and probably half is going to be eaten by the mice and moles and stuff. So I don't really have a plan. My plan is just to take what I have and place it in different places and see if I'm happy, and then start digging. And I have lots of tulips, different colors. This is a blend. Here's pink one, different pink varieties. I have some purples, I have some parrots, and then I don't know why I got so many of these ones, the red peony tulips. They're quite difficult, I think, to place. It's so in your face, but maybe if I mix them with something else it's fine. I have lots of different alliums, and I have I have a lot of everything. I'm just going to start trying to place some in the border here behind me, and we'll just have to see what happens. The sun is starting to set, and I have planted everything that I put out in the big border. And well, as you can see, it's only the stones and stuff that I've put around the peonies, and everything else is dug down. And now this is what remains, and it's still a lot, but it's not as much as I had to start with. And I'm going to try to put down some of the bulbs before it gets totally dark, just behind the big ash tree. So I'm doing that, and I'm so excited about the result. I hope that something will come up, that the wild boar and mice and moles and the deer don't eat everything during the winter and when it comes up in the spring. And well, because of that as well, I haven't put any bone meal or blood meal or anything like that, because I'm afraid that the fox and the wild boar and maybe the badger as well will start digging. So everything is just put in the soil as is. So if you want to see the result of this in a few months, please hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye.